अगर इंडिया में विमेन सेफ्टी को फिक्स करना है तो ब्राजील से सीखना पड़ेगा। प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, ब्राजील में 68% विमेन को रात को बाहर जाने में डर लगता था, स्पेशली लेट नाइट लोनली बस स्टॉप्स पे वेट करते वक्त।
Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create 3D documentary reels like this without using any third-party plugins. I have divided the video into 4 unique scenes. Let's start with the first one. To create this, first of all, we need a background. For that, in new composition, just right click over here, go to solid, and let's just create a black background. Perfect. Now on top of this, we have to add the India map. So let me just drag and drop it over here. Press on S for scale, and let's scale this up somewhat like this. Okay, let's keep it over here. Now in order to do this animation of these people coming out of the map, we have to do some track matte. So for that, we have to first of all create a shape layer on top of this. For that, you can simply go to the top, select the pen tool. Now coming over here, you can just start tracking like this. Okay, I know it's a little time consuming, but if you remember, I provided you all these assets along with the project file on Patreon. Just check it out. Once you finish the map tracking, it should look something like this. After this, all you need to do is come over here in the mode and let's change it to overlay. Perfect. Now let's add the people over here. Okay. And now in order to track matte this, simply take this pickwick and connect it to the shape layer. Perfect. You can turn it on again. Let me keep it something like this. Press on S for scale and let's scale it up a bit. Before that, we also need to add the word India behind them. So I will just hide this for a second. We'll just go to the text tool. Coming over here, let's write India. Let's increase the size. I'll keep it over here like this. Now in order to add some effects on it, simply right click over here, go over here in layer styles, and let's add bevel and emboss. Looks pretty good. Finally, we'll also add the glow. Again for that, let's go to effects and presets. Let's search for glow. Just double click. This is too bright. We'll just keep it around 0.1. Perfect. Okay, I have added the audio as well. Now let's start with the animation. So as you're aware, we have to first of all zoom in on this map. So in order to do that, right click over here. Let's add a null object. Make sure all these layers are connected to the null. Perfect. Let's hear the audio together.
अगर इंडिया में विमेन सेफ्टी को फिक्स करना है तो
अगर इंडिया में वुमेन सेफ्टी को फिक्स करना है तो so let's zoom in over here. Okay, somewhere at this point we have to end the animation. So basically we'll see this frame. So just select this, press on S for scale and also press on R for rotation. Add keyframes in both. Go at the beginning. At this point, let's rotate it somewhat around 30-35%. And let's increase the size. Then we can do one thing. We can also add keyframes in the position. Okay, we'll keep this one over here. And at this point, let's take it a little to the right. Let's see. Perfect. Now in order to smoothen this, select all the keyframes, press on F9.
अगर इंडिया में विमेन सेफ्टी को फिक्स करना है तो
Okay, looks pretty good. Now at the same time, when we are zooming in, we have to bring these two ladies over here in front of us. So for that, let me just select the image, this one. Let's turn it on. We have to keep it on top of the word India. Perfect. Now let's press on P for position. Okay, this can be the final position. And now at the beginning, just simply drag them out. Okay. Again, selecting both the keyframes, press on F9. This time going to the graph. You have to keep it all the way to the left, like this. Also ensure that you're turned on the motion blur. So for that, let's turn on the first panel. Coming over here, let's turn it on. Also we'll turn it on for the other layers.
इंडिया में विमेन सेफ्टी को फिक्स करना है तो
The only thing pending is the red color highlight behind them. And that's pretty simple, guys. I am pretty sure you guys know how to do that. Still, I will just show it to you. First of all, just select the ellipse tool. Coming over here, let's make an ellipse like this. Perfect. Let's keep it behind them. Somewhere over here. Next, let's say at this position at 1 second, we'll show the first highlight. So for this, let's press on S, increase the size a bit. Okay, something like this. This looks fine. Now add a keyframe over here. Let's say from this till over here, it will increase in size. So coming over here, I'll just keep it at 1.5 seconds. And over here, just decrease it to 0. Okay, we'll need to adjust the anchor point. Just select this, press on Y, and just drag the anchor point towards the center. Okay, this looks good. One thing that we can ensure, let's say at this point, this shape is also connected to the null. Okay, now if I go ahead, this is pretty small, right? So let's do one thing, let's increase the size a bit. Perfect. Selecting this, come over here and let's change the color to red. Okay, next coming over here, let's press on T for transparency, add a keyframe opacity. From here till here, we'll reduce it to 0. Also, you have to ensure that there is no stroke, so just keep the stroke as nil. Let me see.
सेफ्टी को फिक्स कर
Perfect. So once you're done with one of the highlights, let's trim it on the right, like this. Let me press on U. Also going over here, we'll trim it on the left. I'll just name this as the highlight. This was the map outline. Perfect. Now just take a copy of the highlight. Drag it ahead over here. Let me see.
सेफ्टी को फिक्स करना है तो ब्राजील
Perfect. So in this way, guys, our scene 1 is complete. Now scene 2 is pretty easy. For that, we have to simply drag everything towards the left. So in order to do that, we are going to create one more null object. Let's create that. We have to ensure that this null object is connected to a new one. Just take the pickwick in parental link and connect it like this. Perfect. See, here comes the trick. I have taught this multiple times, still one more time. See, whenever you want to keep it super smooth, you have to ensure that this keyframe, right, the one that we are going to add on this null 6, should start before this keyframe ends. So in this case, as we have to shift it towards the left, let's press on P for position, add a keyframe, but as I said, it should come a little earlier, let's say at this point. And now let's go ahead somewhere to around 3.20 and let's drag this all to the right. Let's drag it all the way to the right like this. Perfect. At this point, we have to drag Brazil's map. Let's drag and drop it over here. Perfect. Now coming to this point, let's parent this as well to the null. Now let's go back. So now again selecting both the keyframes, press on F9, going to the graph. Let's keep it something like this. We also need to zoom in on this map. So along with this, we also add a keyframe in scale. Let's go back, drag it over here. At this point, we will zoom in. Zoom in like this. Perfect. Again select both the keyframes, press on F9, going over here. Keep it exactly similar to how we had kept it for the position. Okay, let me see how we had kept it for the position. It looks perfect.
तो ब्राजील से सीखना पड़ेगा.
Next over here, exactly how we had done the tracing on the map of India, you have to take the pen tool and create a tracing around this. Once you've done it, it should look something like this. Again, in order to merge it with the background, come over here in the mode and change it to multiply. Next, you have to ensure that this layer is connected to the map. So let's say at this point, we'll go to parental link and connect this to the Brazil map. Let's see. Perfect. Now again on top of this, let's add the word Brazil. We'll keep it over here like this. Again on top of it, we'll go to effects and controls and add the deep blue effect. Perfect. Let me see. Perfect. Let's again parent it to the map. Perfect. Next, after this, we have to transition to the third scene. So for that, first of all, we'll add all the elements. Let me add the image over here. Press on S, increase the size a bit. Let's zoom out over here. Perfect. We have to ensure that this image is 3D. So for that, come over here, make it 3D. In order to play around with the 3D layers, we always have to add the 3D camera. So first of all, add the null object and also add the 3D camera. Perfect. Let's make the null layer 3D as well and parent the camera to the null. That's it. So now let's go somewhere over here. At this point, we're going to trim all these 3 layers on the left. Perfect. Let me see. Nice. Now in order to create a transition, simply go to the top, select the pen tool. Let's start creating a shape. Hold on shift. Again hold on shift over here. At this point, let's make a curve like this. Perfect. Now holding shift, again connect it back to the first point. Nice. Now we have to ensure that this layer is track matte to our shape. So going over here, Simply drag my disk to the shape. Perfect. Now press on P for position for the transition layer. Let's drag it up over here like this. Perfect. Let's turn on the motion blur. Now going somewhere over here, add a keyframe in position. Let's say from here till around 4 seconds. We have to simply drag this down. Awesome. Selecting both the keyframes, just press on F9 to easy ease. Let me see, the animation ends here. Hold on. Just press on U. Right. Okay, so basically we can do one thing. We can drag this little back. Perfect. Okay. So now over here in the null, press on P for position, add a keyframe. Let's drag it ahead. Let me zoom out a bit. We'll drag it ahead all the way to around 7 seconds. Perfect. Now at this point, we have to zoom in. Okay, perfect. Let me zoom out a bit. Select both the keyframes, press on F9, going to the graph, keep it something like this. Let me see. No. So basically, there should be constant movement, right? So we have to ensure that this comes over here. Perfect.
ब्राजील से सीखना पड़ेगा. प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? ब्राजील में 68.
As you can see over here, the transition between this and this is pretty smooth, right? See our scene 2 ends over here, and before the animation ends completely, we start our third scene like this. Looks pretty good. Next over here, we have to add a text box. Just go to the top, select the rounded rectangle tool. Let me add a text box over here like this. Perfect. Let's change the color to yellow. Perfect. We have to ensure that this layer is also 3D. So let's make it 3D from over here. Perfect. Let me see at the beginning. It should be out. Perfect. If you want to give it that little parallax look, you can do one thing. You can just press on P and just play around with this. Okay. I'll just call this as a text box. Now in order to highlight the text box, we'll just add the light sweep effect on top of it. Just select it. Go over here. Just search for light sweep. Double click on this. So at the beginning, it can be over here on the left. Reduce this width a bit. Add a keyframe in the center. Press on U. Drag it over here. Let's say somewhere at this point. We drag it all the way to the right. Perfect. I think we need to increase the width. Perfect. Let's add the text as well. It's pretty simple. I'll not waste your time. Just add a text by using the text tool. It should be something like this.
ब्राजील में 68% women को रात को बाहर जाने में डर.
Perfect. Now finally for the last scene, we are going to use one more null object. Let's add one from over here on the top. Perfect. Let's make it 3D. Let's correct our last null, basically this one, from over here to the final one. Perfect. Now again, if you see, this animation ends over here at 7 seconds, right? Let me just drag it little ahead to around 8 seconds. Perfect. Now before this point, somewhere at 7.5 seconds, we'll add a keyframe in null. Basically, we'll just press on P for position, add a keyframe, let's say from here to around 12 seconds. At this point, we are simply going to zoom out. We'll zoom out like this. Perfect. Now selecting all the keyframes, press on F9, go to the graph and keep the graph something like this. Okay. Basically, it will peak at around 8.5 seconds. Let me keep it like this. Perfect. Now at this point, we have to cut all these layers. Simply cut this. We also need to cut these two layers. Let's zoom out a bit. Now go back to the project. Let's take the last scene background and drag and drop it over here. Press on S, make it bigger. So basically at this point, at 12 seconds, you have to connect this to null it. Okay. Perfect. Now at this point, let's also make the layer 3D. Let's press on S, increase the size a bit. Perfect. Now going back somewhere at this point, let's trim this on the left. Perfect. Let's see.
लगता था, especially late night.
Perfect. Now let's add the girl as well over here. Press on S, increase the size a bit. We'll keep her over here. Perfect. Let's again at this point Let's make a 3D. Now coming over here, let's again trim this layer on the left. Let me see. Perfect. I'll just press on P and just play around with the position. The reason we are doing this is because we have to add the text between the girl and the background. If we keep it same as our last scene, if you see over here, if I press on P, the position is 0. If I keep it exactly same like this, we won't really be able to put anything between this scene and the girl. Okay. Let's keep her over here like this. So now let me add the final text. Perfect. Let's see.
Especially late night lonely bus stops पे wait करते वक्त.
Perfect. Now only one minor thing is pending. Basically, when we are transition from this scene to this scene, we are going to add one adjustment layer. On the top, we'll add this layer. Let's take it at the top over here. Let me trim it on the left. Again going over here, let me trim it on the right. Now on this layer, we are going to add the Gaussian blur. Let's search for that. Just have a click. Perfect. Let me see.
Especially late.
Perfect. Now let's add keyframe over here in the blurriness. Press on U. This will be in the center. Now at this point, let's make it 0. And again, at the beginning, it will be 0. Perfect. Let's see.
Especially late night.
So in this way, guys, our third scene and the fourth scene is also ready. Let's have a quick look from the beginning.
अगर इंडिया में विमेन सेफ्टी को फिक्स करना है तो ब्राजील से सीखना पड़ेगा। प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, ब्राजील में 68% विमेन को रात को बाहर जाने में डर लगता था, स्पेशली लेट नाइट लोनली बस स्टॉप्स पे वेट करते वक्त।
Perfect. So in this way, guys, you have learned in detail how to create this kind of documentary reels. So thank you for watching. If you loved the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you very soon next time.